Hey, what's up guys, to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max dummies show on a video compared with the older iPhones. A new video was posted a retailer mobile phone who has gotten their hands on a few iPhone 12 dummies. The dummies in a question don't reflect the final form of the upcoming iPhones, particularly the camera module, but they do offer us a look into how the new iPhones will compare in size with the previous model. The major change of the iPhone 12 lineup is the flattened edge that run around the perimeter of the all models. This makes them easier to hold and puts them in line with the design of the latest iPad Pro, which is now feature flattened edge. In size order, the iPhones show in the video are on the iPhone 12 5.4 inch, iPhone 12 Pro 6.1 inch and the iPhone 12 Pro Max 6.7 inch. Note that the camera module on these phones are not reflective of the final product. The one not shown in this iPhone 12 Max non-Pro, but since it has the same sizes as 6.1 inch iPhone 12 Pro. The only real difference is the dual camera expected on the non-Pro iPhones. On that note, the iPhone 12 Pro model might ship with the fourth LiDAR cameras. The iPhone 12 5.4 inch compared with the both iPhone SE 2016 and 2020 model, and this 5.4 inch sizes will please many iPhone users who do not want such as a larger iPhone. The footprint of this phones fell in the middle of the smaller 2016 iPhone SE and the more recent iPhone SE released this year. The perspective of having a small iPhones with a very small bezel is something that many iOS users have been waiting for. Although rumors suggest that the Apple would switch to USB-C port this year, which I still don't believe will ever happen. The dummies port dimensions solidify the thought that Apple will continue to use a Lightning port. We expect Apple to announce the new iPhone 12 lineup sometime this September, as it has a customarily done for the past several years. The only difference this year is there is no physical event expected to COVID-19. So guys, this is the latest news about the upcoming iPhone 12 series, and this is the some dummy videos and which mobile phone posted, and just show the dimension and the screens. So let's see in upcoming days guys, and hope you like this video, and if you like it, thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more tech videos, and do not forget to enable that bell notification so you do not miss any of my uploaded video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.